Hello, my name is Gary and this is the Beech Creek Design video series. Today I want to talk about shop safety. Everyone who walks into their shop should have safety on their mind. We are responsible to keep family, friends, and ourselves safe while in the shop. There's two types of safety I want to talk about today. There's accident safety and health safety. Accident safety concerns things such as table saw kickback, cuts, trips and falls in the shop. Health safety deals with things that affect your short-term and long-term health. Things such as breathing wood dust, breathing smoke from cutting fluids on machine tools, breathing vapors, and skin absorption from chemicals such as stains, finishes, and degreasers. Ultimately, it is up to you and me to utilize the best safety practices to avoid these hazards in the shop. There are a number of devices that we use for safety in the shop. One of the most important that I feel is safety glasses. These are my prescription glasses. They have side shields on them. I wear them in the shop all the time. Also, I have spare safety glasses that to give visitors. If I'm in the shop working, they can also have eye protection. Whenever I'm grinding, doing things that throw dust and debris into my face, I'll use these face shields. These are very important. Also, when I'm sanding, grinding, I'll use these dust masks. They help keep the stuff out of your lungs. Whenever I'm spraying finishes, paints, things of that nature, I'll use these vapor type face masks. They've got this one has filters that can be changed. I also have a couple of pair that have interchangeable cartridges. You screw them off and screw new ones on, and they have different types depending on what type of operation you're doing. Hearing protection. I have these disposable foam earplugs. You roll them up, put them in your ear, they expand, helps protect your hearing. Mostly I'll use earmuffs. I've got this pair here. The pair that I use on a regular basis are these Peldors. They work very well with or without the radio. If you're moving a lot of stuff around the shop, moving lumber, moving your machines around, good pair of leather gloves, or I like to use these mechanics gloves. They work very well. But anytime you're operating equipment, you do not want to use these. If it has a rotating blade of any type, or something exposed is rotating, your glove gets caught in it, it will pull your hand straight into the cutter, or into the chuck, like on a lathe. If I'm degreasing, cleaning parts, I'll use these this chemical resistant glove. It's got the gauntlet on it. Helps protect your arms, keeps chemicals off of you. Anytime I'm staining, finishing, painting, working on equipment, anything that where I can get stuff on my hands, want to keep my hands clean, I use these nitrile disposable gloves. These are nitrile. They make them out of latex. They both work well. I prefer the nitrile, but you get them nasty, peel them off, put you a new pair on, go on about your business. Guards and shields. They're on your equipment for a reason. It's to help protect you. I realize on a table saw, sometimes some operations you have to remove the guard to do that operation, but they should remain in place whenever possible. And then there's shop cleanliness. You should clean up, pick up, because slips, trips, and falls are a major hazard in a shop. And it's one of the things that are very easily avoidable. I've worked in various types of shops over the years. I've seen some accidents and I've seen some close calls. About 25 years ago, I was working in a machine shop. Gentleman in his early 60s was operating a horizontal boring mill. He was single pointing a oil groove in a bearing channel. Standing talking to someone, he got distracted, leaned up, put his hand on the part. The tool came across, cut a 1/4 inch wide by 1 inch deep gap out of his hand. Another man I knew several years ago, in his late 40s, worked in cabinet shops his whole working life. He probably operated a table saw most every day that he was in the shop. He was dimensioning some lumber, cutting some boards to width, cut his thumb off. The message from this is that experience does not equate safety. Experience can make you more aware of the hazards, but sometimes experience can make you more complacent in regards to those same hazards. Most every machine in my shop will remove a body part and keep on running. It will not apologize. It will not say I'm sorry. It will just keep doing what it's designed to do. If you are not aware of the hazards in the processes and operations you're performing in your shop, then you cannot be completely safe. It is up to us to learn what those hazards are. 99% of the time that I had a close call in the shop, it's because I did something wrong. I set up a machine wrong. I set up the part wrong. I hit the wrong lever. I did something wrong. I had my hands out of the way, my safety glasses on. I was following safety procedures, and they've done me well over the years. Machines are designed to cut what is presented to the tool. Please be sure that what is presented is not a part of you. Thank you very much. Be safe in the shop. Goodbye.